Welcome to Peine Fix. Here I am Ishwar, your tech. Today we are going to change a display for the A53 Samsung driven from SICK. This display pixel. I have ordered the SS type. Okay, here it's a spare parts display for the complete with ramen, the bezel. This was only different is this ramen is hellblau, light blue, but and little bit bent. Yes, we need to heat up first. I have a heat mat here. Okay. The same. I put the heat mat. The charging system board, and this is the fingerprint antenna. Not about that's it. Okay, now Hello, finally I have reassembled the telephone, back cover and everything okay. Now I have to test the basic function, touch and the buttons and everything. So for the Samsung stick sharp, zero stick sharp, let's come to main menu. I want to test the okay red, there's no pixel fail, and receiver okay working, vibrator yeah okay working, and mega cam okay working, and okay, and sensor yes perfect, that's working, and touch yes, that's also working, speaker, phone cam yes it's working, sub keys yes working, and yeah look like it's okay, grip sensor it's working, and that's it, everything working. Thank you for watching.